All right.
Okay, we found a few items. So we found a genuine S&S bolt kit. Takes care of the oil pump mounting. Found an S&S fitting we put over here for a vent. Need that too. Found a brand new pair of those for up in here if we need them. Got a new bushing over here. One of these to fix this problem. That is a problem, right?
That is a problem.
And then we found a late breather valve I want to measure that diameter with. So this should be 170, right? Boom.
170.
So that's definitely late model like we figured. I know they're early. So that theory panned out. Then we found a couple of these laying upstairs. That one's even got a seal in it.
All right.
Oh, it's like brand new. Feel that. Nice and cushy and soft.
It's not soft at all.
That wasn't soft?
No.
That was a brick? Sounded soft. You don't think that's soft?
No. It's just cracked.
It's crap. Oh, that would have still worked though.
Not now.
Okay, so now we have a cover here that looks like they fitted this with a dingleberry.
Right.
See how it's all radius? There's no light.
Where'd it go?
I'm going like that. It is really not round. Go like that with your finger.
Oh my! What is that right there?
That's
oh,
the hole.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's pretty bad.
Feel all the low spots?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure this is not usable.
Okay.
This one here. Put your finger there, you can feel it's nice and round and sharp. You know, it's square shaped like it's supposed to be. So this is what how to use a dingleberry.
Okay.
To fit your parts with. What do you think?
That sounds way too loose.
You don't think that wouldn't make any noise, would it?
No. Jesus. That's what caused that.
Okay, looks like a nice cover.
Nice cover needs some work.
Not sure what it's nice for, but it's nice. Okay, this one here. No clearance in it at all. Good. Right there. You barely hear anything. Pushing down side to side. Okay, that's good. It feels tight.
All right.
Okay, so that's pretty damn nice cover. I like that. Now we got to check these. Need some cleaning activity on that one right here.
Oh.
That does not feel very round. I mean, very smooth. This might be full of break-in material.
Is that what you call that?
It's a little better. How's it look? Looks smooth?
Yeah.
Feels pretty straight and true. So let's see how it works on here. It's a lot tighter than the other one was, I think. Yeah, no, it's about the same. Dropped right on a dowel pin so it wouldn't come off. Okay. Come on. This one definitely feels better on the pinion bush. This one's not bad. That one's tighter. Okay, so we don't have a big gain there. That one has better chrome on it though. But I was alright with this chrome, so I don't care. Okay, so I think we're going to still have the same cover. Okay, the next thing we had a little go fast cam that we pulled out. He might let me run. Turns out I have a few of these. And bigger ones. Now these are late ones, so we have to go to later gear.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see a difference.
Not much.
It's enough.
This was a low lift cam. The C grind was heavier. We got a sifting cam and a C grind, and your C cam to choose from too. That were a lot bigger than these. And then we had the other one with the B grind that was bigger than this. So this is kind of like between a B grind and an A grind. So it's kind of like intermediate cam. Still pretty big. 256 I think on both lobes. So this would wake it up pretty good. It's good.
All right.
Yeah, that's good. So we got to decide if we're going to do that or not. That's the mechanical. If we do that, we have a conversion kit here to turn your hydraulic into mechanical. So you just take out your hydraulic unit and stuff in the adapter. And it uses the same push rods and everything. So these go right in there, same thing. Perfect. So we can use the same parts. And if you don't like it, we'll take it back out and do hydraulics. Those hydraulics are questionable anyway, remember? Alright, so those are all different things we can do. Now, right now we need to do something like this. Piece of crap. So which one of these is worse? We have an unknown brand. We have another unknown brand.
Okay.
With pretty similar color. And we have a Dixie bushing.
That makes it fancy.
It has more aluminum bronze material to it than this bronze here. This has more nickel in it, aluminum in it. This has more copper in it. Makes it that color. If that makes any difference. The original bushing is more that color, right? Yeah. So okay, so this is our cam. Okay, that fits right in there. Feels the same. So it looks like all these are the same fitment. Doesn't matter which one you use. Yep. They all work about the same. If you're working over there. I think this one's slightly looser. I'll use this one. It's going to shrink when you assemble it anyway. Was that the one in the bag or not in the bag? I don't remember.
No, the Dixie was in the bag.
This bag.
Oh.
I don't know. I think I'm going to put this one in this bag though, because it looks more official.
Yes.
It's in a bag.
Good call.
Because we want it to be unofficial looking. This one here is very unofficial. It's better than that fancy one in that other cover though.
Yeah.
Anything's better than that piece of crap. Okay, now this here needs to have a hole in there for that. But we don't have to do it now, we can do that later if we want. We have to clean it though. Take our sleeve retainer Loctite.
Is there such a thing?
Yes.
Really?
There's also a drip over there somewhere, isn't it? Something. Yes, sleeve retainer. Where's it at? Somewhere in the small print.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
There it is, way up there.
Yeah.
It's hard to read because it's been dicked with. It's for holding cylinder sleeves in.
Really?
Looks good for just about everything else too.
Hmm.
So Harley quit using little dowel pins. And I think when Harley retook over in 83, I think that's when they got cheap. About 86, 7 time frame. Probably 87. They did a lot of change in 87. They quit using dowel pins. For sure by the 90s they didn't have them anymore. They just use Loctite. So that makes it a lot easier to do the job. You just put it in there without none of this fancy stuff like, you know, gotta put the dowel pins in there.
Yeah.
You just goop it up. Slam more holes. Tight. Is that an oversized bushing? Oh, it is. Oh shit, that thing is tight. That got really hard at the end. I think the Loctite is starting to work. That is not a loose print. Now maybe that was an oversize. Still pretty. It's not going to come out of there, that's for damn sure.
Well, and I guess it doesn't need a pin.
I wasn't going to get a pin. I was going to be lazy. Drill motor though. You need drill and electricity also.
Oh, hey guys. Fancy.
We need a drill. Yeah, about let's
Yo.
try that one. Yeah, that'll work. That was the smallest one I had. What if we go up 2 sizes up? It's pretty close to what the hole is originally. It almost looks new.
All right.
You just push that straight through is what you do. How much is it walking? A lot. See how it's walking down?
Yeah.
That's what they do.
Went through.
Went through. So we have good drills. They don't break. Not an oval hole in the cover though. You know why it's an oval hole in the cover?
Tell me.
Because it walks.
Hmm.
See how it walks down the hill when you drill on it?
Yeah. Alright.
Because the brass is harder than the aluminum. But it's got a hole in there now.
Alright.
Didn't want to drill though. But it's in there. So,
Perfect.
that's why you're pre-drilling before you do that.
Mm.
See, if I don't show you how not to do it, you don't know.
There you go.
You thought that would be bullcrap if I told you I was going to destroy that stuff, didn't you?
Yeah.
Now you know. It actually does do that. Oh well. Now you know.
Now I know.
Sometimes I actually do know stuff. Not very often though, just sometimes.
Just sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes. Like I can't. How do you deburr a hole that's in an angle you can't get to?
Yeah, I don't know.
Like that. Just pretend you got it. Yeah, it looks pretty close.
Alright. Sure, the end of the cam will knock that down.
In this cam?
Oh, you're right. It does get tight.
Especially when you go in about 5 tons of pressure like that thing is doing.
Yeah.
Wasn't quite 5 tons, but that was probably 3 tons or 4 tons of pressure on that thing. What to do it. You go in there, that's how you worry about these things splitting, especially with holes.
Yeah.
That's a problem. Alright, so now we need to figure out how we're going to fix this problem. Go with this Harley tool over here. Do you recognize this Harley tool?
I do.
Don't even need to put any bolts in that thing. Now we're going to see how many of these are going to line up that we can actually do anything with. Ooh, that looks like it's the correct one. Oh, it is. Look at that. These actually look like they might work. Yeah, it's close enough. See, we should paint the case black now, see.
Yeah.
Black top in now. Natural case in the bottom. That's how we do it. Last time this was done on this cover. The case might have dirt in the threads. These would work better though. Alright, sit down all the way.
Looks like it.
Pretty good.
It's got some boogers.
You know what did that? Needle bearing failure.
Oh.
It broke the needle bearing out and the bearings came out and the crank pin comes around real close to this area. Right through here. It jams in there and jams in between the flywheels and the flywheel wins.
Yes.
Bearing no, case gets damaged.
Damn.
Maybe that's why I got the case. I don't know.
That's probably why.
Could be. I don't know where that came from. I just came across it one day. I buy all kinds of broken crap for other things than what they're supposed to be for.
Yeah.